Near the Chiang Mai University Sports Center, you'll find this blue vending machine. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use it in a clear and easy-to-follow way. Don't worry if you can't read Thai. If you can use a smartphone, anyone can operate this machine with ease. This vending machine is operated by Dutchmill, one of Thailand's leading dairy companies. It offers a wide variety of drinks, including yogurt beverages, juices, and milk. And the best part? Most items cost just 10 baht. That's only about 30 cents in US dollars. You can pay with cash or mobile payment, making it incredibly convenient to use. Honestly, when I first encountered this machine, I had no idea how to use it. There are operating instructions on the bottom right, but they're written in Thai, so I couldn't read them. So I started pressing the number buttons on the side, trying to enter the product number. But no matter how many times I pressed them, nothing came out. I stood there wondering what on earth I was doing wrong. I'm sure many of you have had the exact same experience. Here is the actual vending machine. This one is located near the Chiang Mai University Sports Center. The instructions on the bottom right are written in Thai. แตะที่รูปเพื่อซื้อสินค้า This means tap the product photo to purchase. If you can't read Thai, this crucial instruction is completely invisible to you. But once you know how to use it correctly, the whole process is surprisingly simple. Let's start with step 1. Take a look at the screen. You'll see a green button that says กดเพื่อซื้อ In Thai, this means tap to purchase. Simply tap this green button to get started. This is the actual standby screen. You can see the green button at the bottom of the screen. Tap here to start your purchase. Now for step 2. Once you tap the green button, a grid of product photos will appear on the screen. From here, it feels exactly like using a smartphone. Simply tap directly on the photo of the item you want. No need to memorize any numbers and no Thai reading required whatsoever. This is the actual product selection screen. As you can see, all the products are displayed as photos in a grid layout. Just tap the item you want. Once you tap a product, this screen will appear. The key here are the two buttons at the bottom. The left button, glap, means go back, and the right button, Karuna Saingan, means please insert payment. Tap the right button to proceed to the payment method selection screen. For cash payment, insert your money into the slot. For QR payment, simply scan the code with your smartphone to complete the purchase. Now for step 3. After tapping a product, a confirmation screen appears. Here, you'll see two Thai buttons again. The left button, glap, means go back, and the right button, Karuna Saingun, means please insert payment. For cash payment, tap the right button and insert your bills or coins into the slot. For line pay, PromptPay, or TrueMoney Wallet, tap the corresponding button and the QR code will appear on the screen. Simply scan it with your smartphone to pay. Even if you can't read Thai, as long as you know what the buttons mean, you can operate this machine with confidence. This is the actual payment selection screen. You can see 4 payment options on the right side. The top button with the coin and bill icon is for cash. The second is line pay. The third is PromptPay and other Thai QR payments. And the fourth is TrueMoney Wallet. Simply tap the button for your preferred payment method. When you select the QR payment method, this screen will appear. Simply scan the QR code with your smartphone app and your payment is complete. This is the actual payment selection screen. You can see 4 payment options on the right side. The top button with the coin and bill icon is for cash. The second is line pay. The third is PromptPay and other Thai QR payments. And the fourth is TrueMoney Wallet. Simply tap the button for your preferred payment method.